We will now talk about ASA fundamentals and basic configuration. Cisco ASA is an example of an advanced next generation firewall, which means that this device is going to offer some sort of sophisticated functionality comparing to regular stateful firewalls. Well, obviously it still provides those stateful filtering capabilities like any other regular stateful firewall does, but those capabilities in case of the ASA are pretty extensive. It allows us to not only inspect communication at layer 3-4, it also allows us to go up to the application layer. It allows us to configure and tune some of the application layer settings or just the behavior of the inspection engines. And in case of certain protocols, the inspection options will be pretty sophisticated. As I said, the main application of an ACL is going to be to control traffic. And this is when you'll apply our access list on one of the interfaces of a router or a switch. Now remember that an access list, once it is applied to an interface, it is going to be controlling communication through the router, but also to the device. As we will see in case of the ASA firewalls, an access list is used to generally control communication through the box.